Oh, am I shouting? Yeah. The car was passing and they're loud. Today we're heading to the park. It's a nice sunny-ish day. It's kind of cool. Not so cold, just cool. Good weather. And I've been promising these kids to take them to the park for a long time now. Yeah. But I work mainly at night, so I'm always tired. I'm always sleeping in the day. So today I finally made it and I'm taking them to the park. We're just going for a walk in the park. I live near the park, so we're just walking across. Here vehicles stop for you to cross the road. The pedestrian has the right of way. So we're taking a shortcut. There's a church, like every hour the bell rings. So I can hear it from my house. It's kind of cool. What happened, Zuri? Something on your slipper? Boo boo? Alright, no worries, come.
I think I'm just gonna wear one.
Does it hurt? Maybe you should have wear your sneakers. Just put it on. You can't walk barefoot. Just put it back on. Zuri, come on. Oh, I think I have Band-Aid in here. I can put it. I have a whole first aid kit on my key. So, Andriana, look at. Well, it's just a little first aid something. Do you see any Band-Aid?
Yeah.
Yeah, put a Band-Aid on it for her so she can. I know she does. She over exaggerate.
When my dad put on like she'll look elsewhere and I touch her something, she alright. When she'll look and I'm touching her.
Yeah, she does that. So let's just do that for her to feel a bit better. Even if it doesn't do anything, she'll think it does. It's a mind over matter thing. Malia, you're walking to the park? Are you excited? Feels better now? Great. So, yeah. This is a nice picnic area. Look, just so cool. Nice. Lovely. Spreading here. Blanket right below the trees. Cool area. Lovely day, please. Skateboard area. day, but there are times when it's busy and they're flipping, skating up these things, going down, being very skilled. Yeah. Well, park is not that packed. There is a swing, like one of the swings. And there's the water park on a hot day. Yeah. Yeah, and over this side is like the tennis court. You can play tennis here. And around the other side is the basketball. Wow, beautiful. And of course, this is a public park, so you can all come and play here. Yeah, there's a pool over there. And it has a big slide.
I'm gonna go on a big slide someday.
Yeah, the outdoor pool. Let me get a better view. Because I'm not going there, not today.
On that big slide. But someday I'll play with that ball.
Yeah, and the slides. Lifeguard on duty. All of the above. Yeah. Oh, no trespassing. Private. Alrighty. Where is Adriana? Alright, come.
Yeah, we're going to the park.
Oh, you're at the park.
Mushrooms. Mommy, look, mushrooms.
Oh, there? Are they mushrooms?
Yeah.
No, don't touch nothing.
Look, there's two parks.
Okay.
Well, you can touch the mushroom with your foot.
Oh, okay.
onto the floor now.
All right, come. Let's go to play on the slides.
Look at that red one. Look at that red one. I see the one. Oh, he fell down. Someone got hurt. Maybe boy. But sometimes my daddy put my sister faster. My daddy takes my sister. Look at that bus, Zoe. Yeah, here.
You want to go on the bus?
I'll be the driver. And I think
Why are you taking off your slippers? Put it on. You can go in the bus with your slippers. Put it back on, Zuri.
no.
Angela, take up that for me. We're all swinging.
Do I want to go to school? Can I go to
I'm not really doing. Just get them a little bit and then. Come. Yeah, come. Hey, you good to go. Malia. Go, Malia. Can you climb up that, Malia?
Big part.
Yes. Andriana, come. We're going over that side. Andriana has his slippers. Come.
Look how she She has her hat on her head. Look, the jacket. Ooh, I'm gonna do this one. Okay, now let me try.
Don't step on that thingy, sorry.
Let's go. Yeah.
Can you climb up that, sorry? to. Oh, oh, they know which part to find me. Well, the part is just like one place.
You guys want to go on that big ride? Big ride? Can I have a get back? Wait, that's the way?
Oh my goodness, the part is closed. Oh, they have the festival going. Shucks. We're not getting to go on that part, our favorite part. It's closed. They're setting up for the Bear Creek Festival. Alright.
Is that over there?
There's the bridge that we normally walk on, and we go up the hill and go. Yeah, it's closed. Andriana, come. We're going down there where the ice cream place is,
I want to eat ice cream.
and then we're going home.
Ice cream time.
Come.
Come no man.
What you say?
Come no man.
Come, no man.
Come no man.
Oh yeah, we can walk right here.
But I want ice cream.
That's where we're going.
Yeah, buy me ice cream.
You want ice cream?
Do you know want ice cream? She eat ice cream.
I want ice cream.
Hi, beautiful dog.
Such a beautiful dog. Oh,
I'm going down there.
a river.
It's not a river, it's a pond. Oh, luckily they don't have crooks. I'm still scaredy. No alligator. There are ducks. Ducks.
I wish I could swim in that water.
No, this water is not for swimming.
Only for dogs? Because there might be a lot of alligators and sharks.
No alligators in these waters.
Don't go too close. Come on, let's go.
I'm not interrupting the ducks. Come.
Behind you.
Oh, don't go in the road. Oh, they are gonna have the Bear Creek Festival over there. It's a festival, like a music fest. It's not today, it's not yet started. So they are preparing for it. So they block off the area because of course Rib Fest? It gone. Another time. Another time, another place. Hello. Oh, well, you can sit right here.
No, I want to get ice cream.
Yeah, we're gonna get ice cream, but you have to look, smell the flowers, girl. Bro, just walk and sniffing. Come on. Come on. Andriana, in the winter, this pond become frozen and everyone skate on it. Like it becomes a skating ring. You want to do that in the winter? You can. Like, lovely. Boop. Come on.
I'm a scat man.
Another place, another time. What is this? Is this something that you can eat?
No,
Pies, yeah.
it's poisonous. Don't eat, it's poisonous.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Then why are you picking it?
I'm just touching it. What are you doing, Zuri?
I'm touching it.
If it's poisonous.
Yeah, but you just touched it.
Mhm.
No.
Okay, your shape better when you sit down. Come.
A video right now.
Just click the video call and screenshot of the video.
Ciao. Putting on lip gloss, I see. Are you guys ready now? Let's go! Let's go! Adios. Another time. Hey, you remember last year? What did you just say? Huh? What did you just do? What did you just do? Who you talking?
I'm trying to get that first.
What does that mean? What does that mean? Tell me.
I don't know what it's called.
What do you think it is called or mean? All right, come. Let's go. Vamos. You wanna stay? What does that mean?
I said I don't know.
So why are you doing things you don't know the meaning?
There's a nice date spot.
I'm
Date?
wicked, I
What are you talking
see
about?
you.
Or even like, like you're on a date and you have a picnic.
What kind of date you talking about?
Get ice cream. I want to get
Come.
ice cream.
Out of order. About date.
No, what you do that for?
Come, Zuri.
Come, let's skip together. I'll move this together.
Mommy, someday I want to go fishing like that.
You wanna go fishing?
Yeah. Mommy, I want rainbow ice cream.
Do you have money?
You have money.
Search my pocket and see if I have money. Give me my key. Yeah. No money there. No money in my see. Stop it, Ness. Stop it, Ness. Don't stop the food. Let Angiana go and order the ice cream and pay for it.
Anjana, I want rainbow ice cream.
Take a very small one, okay?
Why not a really big one?
No, it's too big. You can't eat it off. Small is good. my card in your pocket. Give me my card. Give me my card.
Hold on, give me a second.
No, next thing you forget.
Hold on,
Give me my card. Let me taste it. It's frozen, like really frozen. Thank you for my card. Hey, let me see. Wow, that's so beautiful. Wow. Wait. You cannot be walking and eating, so let's go and take a seat in the park.
My unicorn ice cream is so yummy, and it tastes so good with the marshmallows.
You got marshmallow?
Wait, I'm gonna sit beside him, Jana. Yeah.
Whipped cream too.
I'm the only one with no ice cream. Can you give me half of yours and half of yours?
Okay.
So that
Zuri
we'll have equal amount.
Zuri get more than me. Zuri get.
So Zuri, if I get half of yours and half of Andrea's own, I'll get you guys. We'll all have equal amount, right?
If I get half of Zuri, only all of equal amount.
Let me get your teeth. Did you brush your teeth? Nice day out. Hey, chill day. Thank you for watching, guys. Yes, it is a very good day. Nice day out. And we just have to do this before it gets any colder because it's getting there. Still good temperature, but it's getting there. And you know, by like the ending of August, that's where it starts. Starts to get colder and colder and colder until it starts probably October. Yeah, October, November, thereabout. And then it's winter for about 5 months. 5 months of winter. And then spring again and summer again, and we do this all over. But summer is short. Take care, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.